If you're seeing Steam error 97, don't panic. This error usually points to a connection issue, a temporary server problem, or a hiccup on Valve's side, and it often shows up when you're trying to log in or browse the Steam store. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get Steam working again without wasting time. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes just like this. First, the simplest thing to check is Steam's server status. A lot of the time, the issue is not on your computer at all. Steam may be experiencing downtime or a temporary outage, so before changing anything, wait about an hour and try again. If the servers are having problems, the error can disappear on its own once Valve restores service. Next, fully close Steam and restart it properly. Don't just click the X in the corner. Open Task Manager, find Steam in the list of running apps or background processes and end it completely. Then reopen Steam and see if the error is gone. While you're at it, restart your router too. A fresh network connection can fix a lot of temporary login and store access problems, especially if your internet connection is dropping packets or your ISP is having a short issue. If that doesn't work, clear Steam's web cache and cookies. Open Steam, go to Settings, then Web Browser, and choose Delete Web Browser Data. This helps remove corrupted browser data inside Steam, which can sometimes cause connection errors when the client tries to load store pages or sign-in screens. After clearing the data, restart Steam and test it again. Another very useful step is to check your VPN. If you're currently using a VPN, turn it off and try Steam normally, because some VPN routes can interfere with Steam connections. On the other hand, if your internet provider is blocking or routing Steam poorly in your region, enabling a VPN may help bypass the issue. So if one option doesn't work, try the other and see which connection route performs better. Now let's try running Steam as an administrator. Right-click the Steam icon and choose Run as Administrator. This gives Steam the permissions it may need to access network-related features correctly, and in some cases, it resolves strange launch or login errors instantly. Finally, if the problem is still happening, clear the download cache. Open Steam, go to Settings, then Downloads, and click Clear Download Cache. This is a common fix for stubborn Steam issues because it removes potentially corrupted temporary files and refreshes Steam's local data. Just keep in mind that you may need to sign in again after doing this, so make sure you know your login details before you continue. At this point, one of these fixes usually resolves Steam error 97. Start with the server check, then restart Steam and your router, clear the browser data, test your VPN settings, run Steam as administrator, and finish by clearing the download cache. If the error was caused by a temporary connection problem, these steps should get you back into Steam quickly. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more gaming and PC troubleshooting tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.